Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay July 19, 2024 Friday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong July 19, 2024 Friday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas ng para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong Friday, July 19, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas ng para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for July 19, 2024, Friday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 is 8.9 million pesos and Ultra Lotto 658 estimated jackpot price is 49.5 million pesos for Friday, July 19, 2024. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of July 19, 2024, Friday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.